G'day there guys, we've got the TOYTUF Turon 270 degree awning here and we're just going to do a quick setup of it. So I'll run you through the process and we'll set it all up. So find the zipper, just on this end, unzip it. Had a bit of rain overnight, so you've got that out of the way. Just got your straps on the sides here and one at the front. From there you can pretty well walk it all the way around. And just find a point to tie it off. So once the rear section's tied off, you can just bring the front around. Same thing, tie this one off. So as you can see, it is freestanding here, but when you pull down the ends, depending what you're tying it off to, sometimes it can pull it down. So usually we just drop the end legs. Makes your strap nice and tight as well. So as long as you've got the head height, depending what the actual awning is mounted on, you can leave it freestanding. It is suitable for winds up to about 30 kilometers an hour. But yeah, it does have all the legs inbuilt. So for this show, could get a bit windy today, so we're going to put all the legs down and just peg them down so we don't have to watch it. So super easy process, just pull them down. And then just the twist lock poles. So all these feet have double peg holes in the bottom, so you can peg them down, makes them pretty strong. So that's basically the setup of the Turon 270. Just peg the legs out if you need to, and it's just good to go.